A growing crisis on southern Nevada's streets. Metro says 500 more people were arrested for DUI last year than in 2020. Zero fatalities. Nevada says those intoxicated drivers are fueling another statistic, traffic deaths. As of July 31st, almost 150 people have died on Clark County's roads just this year. One of the top causes, impaired driving. Now Metro is making a big change to make sure DUI drivers don't get away with it. Tonight, one attorney telling Fox 5, expect more convictions.
I think the net result of this, quite frankly, is more convictions. It's not that the police aren't catching people or administering blood tests. It's just that, there's logistic problems.
DUI crashes, many deadly, are a constant problem on Nevada's roads. Unlike many other states, bars are open 24/7. Matthew Hoffman, partner at Battleborn Injury Lawyers, represents victims of these crashes. He thinks Metro's new policy will make a big difference.
From a legal perspective, what it really does is it narrows the possibility of getting around a DUI for technical reasons.
Starting this Saturday, Phlebotomists will patrol with LVMPD nightly to conduct blood samples on the scene of a suspected DUI instead of having to take a suspect to a hospital for a blood draw.
Generally speaking, if it's within 2 hours, it's automatically admissible. After 2 hours, that's kind of a magic number where now you need to have like a forensic toxicologist to provide expert testimony to calculate what the blood alcohol level would have been at the time the person was driving.
And getting those experts to testify in court is expensive.
There's just not sufficient funds for the DA to retain forensic toxicologists over and over and over.
But having a phlebotomist on scene to quickly take blood will eliminate that issue.
The police right there at the scene, they get on the phone with a justice of the peace or a magistrate judge, and they get a verbal warrant. And once they have a warrant, there's nothing else to decline. You will have your blood drawn from you forcibly if necessary.
Hoffman believes as more DUI drivers are convicted, word will get out and more people will be reluctant to get behind the wheel while impaired.
This is Nevada's version of, zero tolerance, essentially. If you get pulled over and you're over a .08, they're going to find out. And the chances of you getting away with a technicality, like a delayed blood test, are essentially gone.
And if you refuse to take a breathalyzer, you will automatically have your license suspended for 1 year by the DMV. Phlebotomists patrolling with Metro started as a pilot program on weekends, holidays, and at DUI checkpoints. Metro is receiving more than $500,000 in grant funding to pay for phlebotomists 7 days a week.